Make money with lead generation. In marketing and business, lead generation is the conversion of inquiry or consumer interest into services or products. Leads can be created for a variety of purposes, which include list acquisition, e-newsletter, or sales leads. Now, the million-dollar question for you is, how to make money with lead generation. Making lead generation as your main source of income isn't as complex as it sounds. In truth, you might have been doing it already. To make things simpler, this guide is for people like you who desire to work from home and earn money through advertising. In this short but comprehensive video covering lead generation, you can learn a lot about online home-based income. Why bother with lead generation? Above all things, one should understand the intricacy of lead generation. When you first heard this phrase, you might have thought that it's a complex marketing strategy wherein you must have a business degree to understand the details. Congratulations! You have stumbled upon this comprehensive guide. After watching this short video, you'll have all the knowledge that you need to start making money by generating leads. Without further ado, here are the facts that you need to make your idle time productive. What exactly is a lead? In layman's terms, a lead is a contact detail or the demographic information of a prospect, customer, searcher, or client. Often, leads when treated as a marketing element is combined with lead management in order to move leads or information through the purchase funnel. This process is called pipeline marketing. Whenever you open a web page, you send traffic to the server of the advertiser's website. Lead generation revolves around this principle or protocol. Whenever an advertiser asks you to join their mailing list or when you input your personal information, which could include your email, name, or business address, into an online form, you are being involved in a process called lead generation. Once you express interest in a specific niche, topic, or product, marketers, advertisers, bots, and even Google will take advantage of your inquiry. The moment you search for something online, the biggest conglomerates, including Google and Facebook, are gathering data about your search queries, address, physical location, and even the specifications of your computer. Why would they do such a seemingly odd endeavor? The answer to that is because of money, of course. With lead generation, you can earn a lot while you're sleeping or taking a hot bath. All you need is a targeted website or a social media page. How to make money with lead generation. Blogging, content marketing, email marketing, advertisements and retargeting, guiding followers on social media, referral marketing, product trials. How much can you make? Generally, profits from leads generation are high. Almost, it can compete with search engine optimization. It is better than most sources of income, including jobs that pay average wages. As a rule of thumb, companies often pay $2 to $50 per lead. Types of leads. There are two types of leads: sales and marketing led. Investor leads, which are pretty popular nowadays, fall under sales leads. The takeaway. The secret to lead generation is creating content and advertisements that compel followers or visitors to click something. A CTA or call to action, which often includes a hyperlink, is an excellent tool for generating leads. You have to entice prospects to provide their personal information so that you can build a list. Then, you can sell this list to organizations, if you want, and make money with lead generation. Or you can send different offers to this same list and make money. I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to click the link in the description box below for my #1 free lead system.